Today, I solved this math Olympiad question. The expression is the root of the quantity root 9 minus root 8. First, we know that the root of 9 equals 3. Next, the root of 8 can be written as the root of 4 times 2, which equals 2 root 2. So the expression becomes root 3 minus 2 root 2. Now I can write 3 as 2 plus 1. So the expression becomes root 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Rearranging the terms, we get root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. We know that root 2 squared equals 2, and root 1 squared equals 1. So the expression becomes root of root 2 squared minus 2 times root 2 times root 1 plus root 1 squared. We also know the identity a minus b whole squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we can write the expression as root of the quantity root 2 minus root 1 all squared. Now the square root and the square cancel each other. So we get root 2 minus root 1. The final value is root 2 minus 1. If you understand this method, then try to solve this problem. Root of the quantity root 16 minus root 12. Comment your answer. If you love math, then this channel is for you. So subscribe and don't forget to like and comment.